An essential function of traffic surveyors is to observe and assess traffic patterns in designated locations. Chattarpur in Delhi is one such place that regularly employs traffic surveyors. Due to the high population density in the region, traffic congestion is a constant problem in Chattarpur. Traffic surveyors are in high demand as a solution to this problem and as a means of enhancing current traffic management practices. Experts in this field are able to perform surveys and collect data on a wide range of features of traffic, including its volume, speed, and composition. Using this information, they may make informed decisions and suggestions to enhance mobility and lessen gridlock in Chattarpur. SCON Design is an established firm in Delhi that provides a wide range of municipal design and planning services. The organization is known for its cutting-edge approaches to traffic management and improvement. The traffic situation in Chattarpur has been improved thanks to SCON Design and their proficiency in traffic surveys. They have a crew of expert traffic surveyors who employ cutting-edge equipment and methods to gather precise information about local traffic circulation and behavior. The collected information is then examined to determine where delays are occurring, how the traffic signals could be improved, and where additional investments could be made. SCON Design's traffic surveyors in Chattarpur do more than just count cars and compile statistics. They also collaborate closely with government officials and municipal planners to establish efficient traffic control policies. In light of their findings, policymakers and planners may propose new road configurations, traffic signals, or roundabouts, or even flyovers and underpasses to ease gridlock. When it comes to keeping tabs on and assessing the traffic patterns in a given area, traffic surveyors are indispensable. Chattarpur in Delhi is one such location where traffic surveyors are in high demand. Due to the high population density, traffic is often backed up for miles in and around Chattarpur. The services of traffic surveyors are sought to alleviate this problem and enhance traffic management. These experts can conduct surveys and collect data on factors including traffic volume, speed, and vehicle types. This information will be used to study traffic patterns in Chattarpur and make suggestions for easing congestion. When it comes to urban planning and design, SCON Design is a household name in Delhi. The organization is renowned for its cutting-edge traffic management and optimization services. SCON Design's proficiency in traffic surveys has proven crucial to enhancing the flow of traffic in Chattarpur. Using cutting-edge tools and methods, their team of expert traffic surveyors compiles detailed information on local drivers' habits and tendencies. In order to optimize traffic signals and recommend modifications to the underlying infrastructure, this information must first be collected. SCON Design's traffic surveyors in Chattarpur have responsibilities beyond data collection. As part of their duties, they collaborate closely with government officials and urban planners to introduce